guys. So, gagawa tayo ng kilawin na carrots. Na kasi ako guys, nasasawa na ako sa lagi akong nagsisteam ng carrots. Ngayon gusto ko naman pa iba. So, may nakita akong video na ginagawa niyang kilawin yung carrots. So, ganun ang gagawin natin. Okay? Okay? Tapos gusto niya kinakagat yung aking buhok. Ito. Kaya lagi akong dito sa bahay. Ang tawag dito? Nagsusuot ng hair cap. Oh God. Oh wow. Oh wow. Kinukurot mo yun. Madumi yung paa mo kasi naglalaro ka kanina sa labas ng bahay. Tapos ilagay mo yung paa mo sa mukha ni Mami. Ayan. Ito lang siya guys. Konti lang. This is good for myself. Kasi ako lang naman kakain. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng suka. But first, garlic. Itapat ko lang siya. Naku, si Matli. And, it's garlic. Garlic blender. Yes. Wow, sobrang daming garlic. Garlic is not good for you, Matli. So, I cannot give this to you. Yeah. What about it? Wait for Mommy. Ng soy sauce. Isang kutsara lang. 1 tablespoon, ganyan. Or 2 tablespoon. Ano ba yan? Parang ini-estimate ko lang talaga, guys. Matli, wait for... Go play. I'll be there. Tapos, 2 tablespoon din ng suka. Lemon. Squeeze of lemon. Yes! Mas maganda pag i-chill to overnight. And then kinabukasan kainin, masarap siya. Tama. So good. Medyo siya. Medyo sour, maasim. Pero pag na-absorb na ito ng carrots, masarap siya guys. Para siyang kilawin. Ang aking alaga ay super verbal niya. Marunong na siya mag-uway. Marunong na siya magre-reklamo. Demanding na rin siya. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do now? Ang kakakit. Chicken liver! Hello, mister. Hello, mister. Hello. Hi. Hi. Look at you. Look at you. You wanna try this, Mandy? Matli's favorite food as well. He likes chicken liver. So, by making for myself, I'm gonna make chicken liver adobo. It's hot. It smells so good. You're ready to buy. Yeah, I know it's yummy and I know you love this. But it's hot. But you cannot eat a lot though. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Don't waste it. There's some on your hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Adobo. Stir fry. Ang daming yogurt. I'll put this here. Ooh, look at that. Bubbly. Matley is going to like this. Umapaw. Wait, Matley. Yeah. I know, you're hungry. Mommy is hungry too. Yes, I have rice and sunny side up egg, vegetables, and chicken liver na adobo. Let's dig in. Si Matley nagugutom na rin. May pagkain siya, but ayaw niyang kainin yung food niya. He wants my food. Pero nag-prepare ako ng para sa kanya talaga. Okay. Okay. Oh, no biting, no biting. No bite, let go, let go. Let go, Matley, let go. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Oh, no, no. Come here, Matley. No, this is your... Okay. Let's fix it. Matley. Later. I'm gonna play. No bite. Don't bite this. Matley is getting his groom today after a month kasi yung buhok niya tumatakip na siya sa mata niya, so and it's time. So the groomers are here and we're not allowed to watch him while doing the groom dahil hindi mag-behave yung aso. The groomer, the same company before. This is Florida. Hot. Is right here. Let me see.
It keeps cutting out though.
I can't see. Oh, okay. That's his bat.
It keeps cutting out though. Jeez.
Okay.
Blast it anyway. There it goes.
Smile. Money, smile. How was your experience? Was it good? Now I can see your eyes. Your hair is so short. Money, your hair is so short. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Yay!
Joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Galatians 5:22-23. It is the supernatural ability to remain steadfast in trials, to love the unlovable, and to walk in obedience even when it is difficult. Remaining in Him means drawing from His strength and wisdom daily, not just in moments of desperation. Are you abiding in Him as a constant source of life?
Run. Oh, there's a doggy? Yeah. There's a good doggy.
There's little dogs out here. Look at the white poodle.
That Matley. Okay. No, Matley, come here. Come, good boy. Come, good boy, good boy. Good boy. No.